Alrighty, mates, it's time to film outside. What? I really cannot believe this right now, mates. It's freaking raining outside, even though we're supposed to be filming outside. Yeah, Mother Nature wants to do this type of crap on us. I'm getting tired of this, mates. Hey, Mother Nature be wet on us. Well, that's a bullcrap then. I'm gonna go out there and take on Mother Nature myself. Bring it on, Mother Nature. Bring it on. Bring it on. Wait. I don't like Mother Nature's water. Stop, put a water. Whoop!